Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find Duolingo promo codes. So as you can see that this is duolingo.com's website where you can basically learn different languages. So you must certainly be looking at some of the promo codes for discounts. So in order to find that out, you will have to simply open any of your browsers and you need to simply search for Duolingo promo codes. Now over here in this list, you will see a bunch of different websites that are actually providing you the latest coupon codes. As you can see that this one is giving you 50% off coupon code. This one website is giving you 60% off coupon code. So you just have to simply open these websites in a new tab. As you can see that I have opened two in order to show you how you can actually get the working promo codes for Duolingo. So you just have to simply hop onto these websites one by one. So as you can see that on this website you just have to simply scroll down a bit, and this is the promo code that is actually working as of right now. So you just have to simply go to the redeem section in your Duolingo application and you can redeem this promo code. You can even just scroll down a bit and you can find 100% working promo codes list, so you can try these out one by one and check if these are working or not. If these are not working for you, you can just hop on to the other websites that we opened and you can just try to find out if there are any coupon codes available. So you just have to simply scroll down and you can see that Super 60, Save 60, these are giving you 60% off, 20% off, and even 30% off. So you just have to simply do the same. Copy the code from here and go to the Duolingo website and paste the code there in order to check whether this code is working or not. Now sometimes at the time of searching of the codes, some of the codes might not work for you, but don't lose hope. You will have to just keep on trying and you will find one for sure. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.